Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Chinese chicken fried rice. As you can see here, I'm just going to be oiling the pan down with some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, vegetable oil works just fine, just the same. And there you'll see me putting in my jasmine rice. Now I kept this rice in the fridge for 24 hours. I made it the day before, okay? What you want to do is make your rice the day before and set it aside in the fridge for 24 hours. Or if you're going to do it the same day, at least give it about 5 hours, 3 to 5 hours. Now what I use to make my rice brown, I use soy sauce, okay? I had low sodium soy sauce from Walmart. So that's what I use. And my rice wasn't a little brown enough for me, so I just went ahead and sprinkled a little bit more soy sauce on there just to give it the right texture of brownness that I wanted it to be. Now I'm going to be adding in some minced garlic. Just about a teaspoon of minced garlic. And I also used 1 egg. And it was a big egg, so if you have small eggs, you may want to use 2, but this 1 egg just did me perfect. And I went ahead and already pre-cooked 2 chicken breasts, and I'm going to dice them up, and that's the meat that we're going to be using today. 2 chicken breasts, diced finely, squared away. They went good with this egg. Now I'm going to be adding my bean sprout here. And you can get bean sprout from your local Walmart or Publix. And I'm also going to be adding in my green onions. I love green onions. Now I'm going to mix all these ingredients. Mixing all the ingredients together. I got my bean sprouts, my green onions, my chicken. I have my egg in there. Minced garlic. I have soy sauce. I think I put a little bit of sesame seed oil off camera. I also put a little bit of salt and black pepper. But this rice tasted so delicious, my gosh. And it went well with my honey garlic baked chicken. I normally put over my honey garlic baked chicken sesame seeds, but I didn't have any, so I just went ahead and garnished it with a little bit of leftover green onion. That's my little one in the back. Please forgive.